Right, in this video, it's all going to be about my first impressions on the Norstone 19-inch rack that's distributed by Avoke. I'm going to open it up and let you know what I think. So, let's get on with it. So I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. There we've got the base and the lid, should be. So it came through to me really well packaged in a number of boxes. Quite unusual to see the frame done the way it was, but really racks are the way to go. It allows you to keep everything neat and tidy, contained. That's a nice finish. Right, so in the box, it's the lid. We've got 2 fan holes and a large slot. I'm going to assume there's going to be covers in the rest of the box. A big bag of nuts and bolts. Another note for Norstone, could bag the wheels separately to the nuts and bolts just to make it look a little bit prettier. Fan unit, we get to that later. So you seem to be getting everything that you need. Pins, okay, this is nice. They give you an extra set of pins for the door if the door assembly is a bit too tight. So that's good to know. Here we've got the base, which seems to be quite well constructed actually. You've got a whole load of venting all the way around the bottom to help with the airflow and convection, and you've got extra bracing welded onto the bottom. Right, let's start putting this together. I think the Norstone 32-inch rack is brilliant value for money. Once it's been put together, it's very, very sturdy. It's well made. You know, I'm being really, really picky when I'm pointing out the things and knocking a couple of points off. And I think they've done a brilliant job on this at the price point it goes out at. But it would look nice, I think, in any control room where you're going to have all of your equipment. And I've actually decided after seeing this, I'm going to put it in my control room, which happens to be my dining room, where all of my AV and networking equipment reside. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.